There are many people out there who take for granted of those people who want to grow a beard for the first time. They know that you want to grow a beard. So what happens is that they sell you something that actually they say it's going to help you grow the beard, but when you use it, no beard at all. What I want to tell you right now is that you should never buy anything without research. You want to buy a product from a person who you trust. Many people out there are being scammed. Let me say, like, on a scale of 1 up to 10, 8 people are going to be scammed and only 2 are going to buy a real good product. Don't just trust people who say that if you buy their product, it's going to help you grow a beard or whatever. This time there is Google, there is Facebook, there is YouTube. Do your own research. Find out where you can buy reliable products, okay? Even people that you think can help you. Even me, I can help you. If you want answers, I can help you. The only thing that I want you to do is not to buy anything blindly. Buy things that you trust. Buy product after researching and being comfortable with the person who is going to do business with you. Don't just spend money anyhow, because a lot of people cry and you don't want to be one of them.